I started working in this business since I was 12 years old. When I came to this country in 2010, one time my car broke down and I took it to a place. Unfortunately, they did a really not very cheap job and they tried to charge me a lot. So since I was a mechanic, since I was a little boy, so I knew that they're not honest with me. So I did some researches. I found out unfortunately there are not really too many honest auto mechanic shops. That was my main goal to do this to at least we can have an honest shop here in the town. The thing is we do complementary diagnostics, so we don't charge for diagnostics. So this is very 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 special from us to our community that makes them feel more comfortable to come to our business and try us. Our goal was to expand the business. We are so happy to have a team of 5 people, so which all other 4 they can speak Spanish, plus our main office lady, she can speak other language, Portuguese, and of course I can speak Assyrian too, so or Farsi. We are serving almost all nationalities here, languages, and this makes people to feel more comfortable to come here. When they're here, they don't face up somebody that doesn't understand them. The biggest pride we have here is our customers. They're not just customers to us. We became, after a while, we became family. They are part of Lander Auto Service family. The investment that we had to get that, it is our honesty. So we stayed all last 8 years. We stayed honest with our customers. So I think this makes a huge difference between our business and other places.